Hey guys, it's Wes here with Cheap Trains. Today I'm going to show you N-scale ballasting thingy that I made up. I've used it before, lost it, probably threw it out, so we're gonna make a new one, and hopefully this one works as good as my last one did. So let's get at it. So, first things first is take your water bottle, I don't know how this is going to work tonight, guys. This is not my normal camera I use. It's my other one's charging up right now, and I don't have a mount for this camera for my tripod. Let's try this, and hopefully I don't drop the camera on the floor. Alright. So, first thing I do is take my Sharpie, in the bottle there, you can see right there it's got that little dot. That's the center. I just go 5 mils over to the one side. Like somewhat of a straight line. Then measure back. I think the track width for N scale is 11 mil. Take that. That there should be just about a piece of flex track. Width of a track, so I eyeball it, so I know I need to cut on inside of either of those lines. My bridge. Then I just take a hacksaw blade. This would be a lot easier if I had the handle on the hacksaw. That's up in the garage. And I believe last time I cut down until I hit the actual bottle. That should be deep enough. Yeah. So you want to make your 2 cuts. I just dragged a knife along there to remove any burrs. looks like a glove. Tight and fit in a glove, but still a glove. I was going to widen that up just a little bit. Once I got that done, I just make a couple little triangles on the sides. Now if you're lucky, you can get those two triangles there the same width. That way you get even spread on each side of the track. I'm gonna cut a slot out. Oh, too far. Way too far. Crap. Well, I'll see if that works. Once it's on that, oh, that's horrible. Once I'm done that, I'll just cut the top off there. Put a piece of flux track on here, put maybe a little bend in it or something. Also, I get my track nails from a hardware store, not a hobby shop. I think I get a pack of, I think there's 250 or 300 in here, and it's $1.97 or something like that. So they're cheaper. If you're doing a layout on a budget, I don't know how much the real ones cost, but I'm pretty sure they're more than that and you get less. So whatever you're saving on that, you get to spend on something else. Just gonna line that up there, pour in my ballast. If you guys want, I can show you how to make this. Or, not really make it. How I get my stuff for ballasting. It's not working too bad. Oh, right out of track. Then, once you do that, you'll take your hopefully you'll pick your paintbrush. Apparently I've lost that as well. And to smooth out inside the center of your track. Here you go. That gives you a pretty nice looking ballast. Minus the big clump here because I ran out of room. So, found my paintbrush. If it was any closer, it would have felt my foot. When I'm done, I just come in with my paintbrush. And you'll do that until all the excess material is out of the way. And then I usually come over with just an extra set of trucks there on some wheels. Just to make sure there's nothing in the way. And then You'll go through with your gluing process, with your soapy water solution, and then with your 50-50 glue mix, 50% water, 50% glue, glue your ballast down. So I'm gonna clean this up and try it on this is a cork underlay that I already got nailed here for a test piece. So I'll clean this up with the flex track and then we'll try it out on that. So I got the track on the cork bed. Not the greatest. This section here, I guess from like here to here turned out alright. But it'll definitely get you most of the way there. Same thing, you would do the same thing as you would if you're just putting it on your phone. You need to glue it down. I guess actually if you're using the cork bed, it probably wouldn't hurt to make your side triangles there a little wider to get more of a spread. This side here is not too bad. For a cheap guy like me, that would work. So thanks for watching this video. Give a like and subscribe if you would. Got any comments? Please leave them. I'm sure this would work for HO scale too. If you used a water like one of those sport drink bottles. Or maybe the lid for a spray paint can. Something like that. And so I didn't get around to making that video yet about clay tile shingles. I don't know what my 3-year-old's got done with my glue sticks. And I don't want to go out and buy more because I know I've got like a Ziploc baggie full of them around here somewhere, and as soon as I go out and buy them, I'll come home and probably find them. So thanks, see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep her on the rails.